We tested 14 glass air fryers over the past 3 months and identified the 5 models that stand out at healthy cooking. We compared oil-free cooking, checked temperature consistency, and assessed durability to find which air fryers give the best results and are affordable. Each model has features that may suit your kitchen, so check out the full list. Links to the latest prices are in the description. Number 5. Vexen 4.5 QT 6-in-1 air fryer with glass bowl. For anyone tired of guessing what's happening inside traditional air fryers, this model offers a refreshing solution. The transparent glass bowl provides complete 360-degree visibility, allowing you to monitor your cooking progress without interrupting the process and losing valuable heat. This visibility offers more precise cooking compared to the opaque design of the FRYERS 3000. The versatility of this air fryer sets it apart, featuring 6 distinct cooking functions: air frying, air barbecue, baking, thawing, heating, and dehydration. It effectively replaces several kitchen appliances. With a temperature range spanning from 100 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles everything from gentle dehydration to perfectly crispy fries. Unlike the CookPro 5.0, which lacks a dehydration function, the Vexen offers more comprehensive cooking options. Health-conscious home chefs will value how it slashes oil usage by up to 97% compared to conventional deep frying. The intuitive touchscreen with programmable presets ensures straightforward operation. Even for cooking novices, this ease of use is on par with the EasyChef 200, known for its user-friendly interface. The glass bowl enhances more than just visibility. It's also dishwasher safe, dramatically simplifying cleanup. After preparing sticky foods like chicken wings, I simply place it in the dishwasher instead of struggling with a non-stick basket. This feature is a step up from the Airwave 2.0, which requires manual cleaning. However, it does have some drawbacks. The unit carries extra weight due to the glass construction, which might concern those who frequently move their appliances. I've also detected occasional lag in the control panel's responsiveness. Also, proper positioning of the stainless steel tray requires attention to prevent wobbling. The LightFry 1000, on the other hand, is lighter, but sacrifices the robust build quality of the Vexen. Another standout quality is its quiet performance, operating below 48 decibels, making it ideal for open floor plans where kitchen sounds travel easily. Families particularly appreciate its 4.5-quart capacity that accommodates meals for 3 to 4 people while maintaining a space-efficient footprint. If you want an air fryer that combines healthier cooking with the ability to watch your food transform, this glass model is worth considering. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. Introducing the Smartek 6-in-1 glass air fryer. For those who want to keep an eye on their cooking without opening it, the 360-degree transparent glass bowl offers a clear view so you get consistent results and avoid burns. With a generous 4.5-quart capacity, this air fryer is multifunctional, offering 6 cooking modes: air frying, air barbecue, baking, thawing, heating, and dehydration. This versatility lets it replace multiple kitchen gadgets, making it a great addition to any home. The intuitive touchscreen interface lets you precisely control temperatures from 100 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring perfect cooking every time. If you're health conscious, you'll like its ability to cut down oil usage by up to 97% compared to traditional frying. The 360-degree hot air circulation technology ensures even cooking, delivering a crispy outside while keeping the inside juicy. The glass bowl is slightly heavier than standard baskets, but it's easier to clean. Being dishwasher safe and having minimal crevices, it simplifies cleanup. While the instruction manual could be more detailed, the straightforward controls make it easy to use. Operating at a quiet 48 decibels, it won't disrupt your household. The built-in overheating protection adds safety during long cooking sessions. The Smartek glass air fryer is great for health-conscious families who want to monitor their cooking. Its versatility and easy maintenance make it popular with home cooks. Check out the product details through the link in the description. Number 3. The Vexen 4.5L glassware air fryer is a significant upgrade for those who find traditional air fryers limiting due to their opaque designs. Its clear glass basket allows you to monitor your food as it cooks, ensuring meals are prepared to perfection, similar to the Smartek model, but with a more refined appearance. With a 4.5-liter capacity, it is perfectly sized for individuals or small families, offering ample cooking space without overwhelming your kitchen counter. This model excels not only in air frying, but also in roasting, baking, and defrosting, thanks to its precise temperature control, akin to the Vexen 4.5 QT 6-in-1, but with a more streamlined focus. The glass basket design simplifies cleaning, avoiding the hassle of hard-to-reach corners found in conventional models. Its sleek black finish complements most kitchen aesthetics, unlike the more cumbersome CookPro 5.0. While some items like tater tots may require a bit of adjustment for even cooking, this becomes less of an issue as you familiarize yourself with its heating patterns, a common learning curve shared with the FRYERS 3000. The air fryer's smoke reduction technology is particularly beneficial when cooking fatty foods, significantly reducing smoke and keeping your kitchen air fresh, a feature that outshines the LightFry 1000 by a mile. For busy households, the visibility and easy maintenance of this glass air fryer are invaluable. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate its ability to create crispy, delicious dishes with minimal oil while maintaining a clean kitchen environment. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 2. The Ninja Crispi 4QT air fryer system is a great choice for those who value transparency in cooking. Its clear Tempware glass containers let you watch your food crisp to perfection, removing the uncertainty that often leads to overcooked dishes. This feature is similar to other air fryers, but in a more compact form. A notable feature of this air fryer is its adaptable design. It includes a 4-quart container for family-sized meals and a smaller 6-cup container, perfect for reheating leftovers without the rubbery texture typical of microwaves, similar to other models but with a more targeted capacity. For busy households, the thermal shock-resistant glass is a significant advantage, allowing you to cook directly from the freezer without thawing, saving countless dinners on hectic nights. Its 4 cooking modes efficiently handle a range of dishes from crispy chicken wings to roasted vegetables, providing a simple yet effective option compared to other air fryers. However, the temperature control system offers ranges instead of precise settings, which might require some adaptation for those who follow exact recipes. This is offset by the ease of cleaning. All parts are dishwasher safe, and unlike plastic fryers, the glass doesn't retain food odors, a convenience shared with other models. Its space-saving design is another advantage, with all components nesting neatly for storage, making it ideal for kitchens with limited counter space. The Ninja Crispi is particularly well-suited for small to medium households prioritizing visibility and versatility. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate the ability to monitor food without interrupting the cooking cycle, and the ease of preparing meals with minimal oil. If you're looking for an air fryer that combines the benefits of glass construction with flexible cooking options, this model is something to consider. All the product details are available through the link in the description. Number 1. Astral Ship 2-in-1 Air Fryer Grill Combo. If you have limited kitchen space but want a versatile cooking appliance, this glass air fryer provides a great solution. Its unique flip-over mechanism allows easy switching between air frying and grilling with a simple 180-degree turn, a standout feature that differentiates it from models like the Ninja Crispi, which emphasizes compactness. The transparent glass container lets you monitor your cooking without opening the basket, retaining heat and ensuring even results, similar to the visibility advantage of the Vexen 4.5 QT. For those who love meal prepping, the included storage lid transforms the container into a handy food storage unit, a rare feature in other models. With 12 preset cooking functions, this appliance caters to cooks of all levels, offering more variety than the Ninja Crispi's 4 modes. Cleaning is easy thanks to its non-stick surfaces. A quick wipe is all that's needed, similar to the easy maintenance noted in the Smartek model. Available in 2 sizes, a 4-liter for families and a 1.2-liter for personal use. While the smaller model may require batch cooking for larger households, it works well for singles or couples, akin to the focused capacity of the Ninja Crispi. The instruction manual could be clearer, but the operation becomes intuitive after a few uses. A limitation is the inability to use the air fryer and griddle functions simultaneously due to shared heating element. However, this design choice helps maintain its compact footprint, similar to Vexen's space-saving design. This air fryer is particularly valuable for kitchens with limited counter space, combining versatility with a compact design. Health-conscious cooks will love how it produces crispy, flavorful dishes with minimal oil, a benefit shared with the Smartek. If you're looking for a multifunctional kitchen tool that replaces several appliances while offering the benefits of glass construction, this Astral Ship model is worth your attention. You can find all the product details through the link in the description.